I'm Chris Mowry, Product Specialist here at Henderson Products. And today we're going to be showing you a little bit about the new product that we are going to be announcing here at the APWA show, the Henderson StormXtreme. This particular unit that will be at the show is a fully optioned unit featuring a dual auger conveyor system, a direct cast spinner system, as well as our optional rear cabinet for our plumbing and hydraulic components. So the primary goal of the StormXtreme development was to provide the largest liquid capacity per linear foot on the market. The StormXtreme here comes in at 108 gallons per linear foot, comparable to our current first response unit, or the FRS, which comes in at only 100 gallons per linear foot. This particular unit currently has a filler plate to demonstrate our liquid tanks. However, the customer units, once this does begin shipping, will be utilizing a polyurethane tank configuration. Those tanks are going to be sized in 3 and 4 foot increments, which allows us the flexibility to produce units from 10 foot to 16 foot unit length, whereas many of our competitors only have a one size tank that allows them to be stuck with one unit configuration. Both sides of the unit do have site level indicators to indicate where the level liquid is in the tank system, so that way it makes it easier for the operator to know how much liquid they have remaining in the unit. The StormXtreme comes standard with our stainless steel slip-in slope leg style leg stand. This stand is adjustable in height, allowing your customers to be able to adjust the unit height according to the dump body bed height. In addition, the leg stand does have poly roller guide wheels here on the sides to help guide the body in and out. The overall width of the unit is 82 inches, which allows this unit to not only fit into a Henderson body, but many bodies that your customers may already have in their fleet. One of the features that we're proud to announce here is our adjustable trunnion latch. This trunnion latch here can be adjusted based on height of the latch jaws. So there's some adjustment here. If the latch jaws are higher up, as they are on some dump bodies, these latches here can be interchanged from left to right, which allows these pins to come in at a higher adjustment level. The StormXtreme can be configured with a chain type conveyor as well as the dual auger configuration. One important thing to note, the dual auger configuration is required in order to have the rear cabinet assembly for storing of the hydraulic components and plumbing components. The top screen assembly is standard on all of our auger units and optional on the chain conveyor units. The top screens are stainless steel featuring a 3/8 rod over 3/8 rod construction. So in the optional rear cabinet assembly, which again is only available on the dual auger configuration, the rear cabinet is designed to house the pre-wet components, the liquid spray boom application components, as well as our optional hydraulic valve. In this particular unit, we do have an 8 gallon per minute bronze gear pump feeding into our pre-wet nozzles. If we take a look over here, we do have an optional slurry here, which will allow liquid to be, rather than dispensed to the spinner assembly, to be injected to the augers where it can be mixed into a slurry mixture. Just above the slurry valve, you'll see the 3 bank butterfly valves, which are controlling the 3-lane spray boom. And if we move just, and over here we have the optional valve assembly, which allows the valve to be plumbed from the factory, saving your customers time and money, and allowing this unit to be fully functional by the time it enters their building. The StormXtreme can be configured for closed loop hydraulic systems, allowing for a flow meter on the pre-wet system, a flow meter on the anti-ice application, as well as a sensored conveyor motor here on the back. Because this is going to be a self-contained unit that is most often going to be put into a dump body, that generally poses challenge when it comes to servicing. We do have grease lines for the front idler extended back here to the rear to allow serviceability and greasing of the idler bearings. For units that do have a pintle type or chain type conveyor, we will have those idler adjusters here at the rear, so that way the idlers can be adjusted from the rear of the unit here without removing the complete unit from the truck. The idler unit is configured with our direct cast spinner. We do have the option for the traditional FSH style spinner unit. The direct cast does have pre-wet nozzles built into it, as well as a dump over feature. So for dump over, all you need to do is pull the pins, pop off the containers, pull, and now you've got a dump over to be able to bypass the spinner chute and empty material out of the hopper. The StormXtreme does come standard with the anti-icing spray system included. This particular unit is configured in a 3-lane application. All stainless steel boom components, spray bars, check valves, quick release hardware, so that way if you need to troubleshoot, you've got that available. And keeping with the design philosophy of Henderson's being the dependable ones, our spray booms do have the quick release style nozzle tips to allow things, servicing, exchange, quick release without the need of tools. For customers who are deciding that they want to mount this as a chassis mount configuration, we do have an option to subtract out the slope leg stand and put the chassis mount understructure onto this unit. So in conclusion, we're pretty excited to be showcasing the StormXtreme here at the APWA show. In addition, we're excited to be able to offer this product to our customers in both the competitive and feature-rich availability to be able to fit their application and their budgets.